Welcome to the Lazi's Lucky Kitchen. Today we're going to make the Lazi's Lucky Chicken Biryani. To cook the Lazi's Lucky Chicken Biryani, you would require chicken 1 kg, rice 500 grams boiled with 8 cups of water till 3/4 tender, onions 300 grams sliced, tomatoes 250 grams finely chopped, salt, curd 200 grams whisked, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons, oil or ghee 150 grams, green chilies, a few mint leaves, coriander leaves, and 1 Lazi's Lucky Chicken Biryani Masala. Heat oil or ghee and fry onions till they're golden or crispy. Remove them from the pan and keep it aside. Add chicken pieces in the same oil and fry on high flame. Add ginger garlic paste and fry for a minute. Add tomatoes, chopped green chilies, salt, curd, Lazi's Lucky Chicken Biryani Masala, and half-fried onions. Cover and cook till the chicken is almost tender. Add coriander leaves, mint leaves, and cook till the gravy is thick. Add the remaining fried onions. Add the rice. Sprinkle 1 cup of milk with saffron, 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Sprinkle the yellow food color. Cover tightly and leave it to cook on low heat for 10 minutes. The delicious Lazi's Lucky Chicken Biryani is ready to be served. Try our wide range of masalas. Laziz, cooking simplified.